Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, amazing, delicious twisted donuts. This is very easy to make, trust me, and it's so delicious. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, dry active yeast, powdered milk. I'll add in sugar, vanilla extract, and stir this together till well combined. Once it is well combined, I'll create a well in the middle and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is warm milk, egg, and salt. Please make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video. I'll also leave it in the comment section or in the description box below as well. So after I went in with my wooden spoon, I'll stir this or mix all these ingredients together until it has formed a dough just like so. After, I'll cover it with the napkin and then let it rest in a warm place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, by then it has formed gluten and it's very easy. It makes it very easy to work with. I added in softened butter. Make sure your butter is in room temperature, and then I'll knead this for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you want a stretchy dough, play with it. Have time with it, and at the end you get a great result. So the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. It should be something more or less like this. This is what you're looking for. After I place it in the same bowl, I then covered it with a cling film. I let this sit until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, I will deflate the dough and transfer it on my work surface. So I roll it in the long shape and then cut it into smaller pieces. I went in around 50 to 60 grams each, depending on the size of your choice. You can go like from 70 to 80, or you can make the same thing. So bring one of the dough and then roll it in the ball shape like so. Make sure you cover it with the cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Bring one of the dough. First, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer the dough on it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on it and then roll it out. You want to roll it a little bit thin and then fold the side and side together. So one thing about this is that if you want, you can roll it once you've done making it in the ball shape. You can go ahead and roll it like that. But I find it this way, it's very easier, and it makes it easier to roll it in the long shape. So if you want, you can do it like this, or if you want, you can just go ahead and then roll it like this. To make the twisted donut, I place my one hand on the end of the dough, and then the other side I use it to roll it like you're twisting it until you're done twisting, and then raise it as demonstrated in the video. It's very easy. Once you raise it, it will twist by itself. All you have to do is to help and then pinch the edge together. It's easy. Just look at it, guys. After, I'll cover it with a kitchen napkin, and then I'll let this rest for at least 30 to an hour, or until it has doubled in size again before frying. Once it has doubled in size, I'll go ahead and preheat my oil and fry these bad boys. Basically, this is it, guys. It's simple, guys. It's easy. You can even close your eyes and make this recipe. And trust me, your kids, they're going to fight with you for this recipe. So once the oil gets hot, add in the twisted donut. Stay close to it and keep turning until it turns slightly golden brown. And guys, this is very easy. but please stay close to it because it gets brown quickly. And then bear in mind, do not set your fire on high flame. Let it cook slowly or let it fry slowly until it is ready. Stay close to it and keep stirring or keep turning or keep flipping from time to time. So guys, that's it. It's very simple, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, when you get to this point like this, it's ready. This was delicious. Please make sure you toast it in sugar whilst it's still warm. If you let it get cold, it wouldn't coat the sugar, it wouldn't coat well. So please make sure you coat it in the sugar whilst it's still warm, just like so. And look at this. Look at this, guys. It's so delicious. The bread itself was soft. It was name it, guys, as you can tell from the video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.